Find the red things. One, two, three. You found them. Find the blue things. One, two. Awesome! Find the yellow things. One, two, three, four. Cool beans. You sorted the shapes by color. Now listen carefully to the next instruction. Match them with the same shapes. Oops! Match them with the same shapes. Yay! You sorted them by their shape. Shapes and colors are so much fun. Tap the things that are red. Good job! Find all the things that are blue. Good thinking! Tap the things that are yellow. Good work! Give the red things to the rabbit. Give the red things to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 Great! Give the blue things to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 Great job! Give the yellow things to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 You found the yellow things. Colors are so fun.